For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a hostel business can be a rewarding venture, especially in areas with high tourist traffic or student populations. Hostels are budget-friendly, community-oriented accommodations that appeal to travelers seeking affordable lodging and social experiences. In today's digital era, you can significantly streamline the startup process using free artificial intelligence tools. From market research to marketing, AI can reduce costs and improve decision-making. Below is a step-by-step guide on how to start a hostel business using free AI resources effectively. Step 1. Conduct market research with AI tools. Begin by understanding your target market and identifying the best location for your hostel. Use Google Trends to explore travel trends and discover popular destinations. Complement this with ChatGPT by asking, what are the most popular budget travel destinations for your target demographic? Use the results to select a suitable city or neighborhood. You can also use free versions of tools like Perplexity.ai to dig into travel patterns, average hostel rates, and seasonal demand. Prompt example for ChatGPT. Act as a travel market analyst. Give me a summary of demand and competition for a hostel business in city or country. Include peak tourist seasons, average hostel pricing, and common amenities travelers expect. Step 2. Develop a business plan using AI. Once your location is identified, create a detailed business plan. Use ChatGPT to help you draft a structured business plan. Include sections such as executive summary, business model, target market, competitive analysis, marketing strategy, operations, and financial forecasts. AI can also generate financial projections and cost estimates. Prompt example. Act as a business consultant. Write a complete business plan for a hostel in chosen location, targeting budget travelers. Include startup costs, pricing model, daily occupancy estimates, and profit margins. Step 3. Choose a business model and legal structure. Decide whether you will own or lease the property and whether the hostel will be independently branded or part of a franchise. Then choose a legal structure, LLC, sole proprietorship, etc. You can ask ChatGPT to explain the pros and cons of each. Prompt example. Compare the pros and cons of starting a hostel as an LLC versus a sole proprietorship in your state or country. Include tax and liability differences. Step 4. Find and secure the property. Use free real estate platforms such as Zillow, Craigslist, or Facebook Marketplace to identify properties that could be converted into hostels. Use ChatGPT to create a checklist of property features needed, e.g. zoning, room layout, fire safety compliance. Prompt example. Create a checklist of features to look for when buying or leasing a property for a hostel business in target location. Include room layout, common space needs, and local regulations. Step 5. Design the hostel layout and amenities. Use AI tools like RoomGPT or Planner 5D to help you generate room layout ideas, shared space configurations, and design themes. These tools can simulate different interior setups and help you visualize hostel functionality and aesthetics. ChatGPT can also help you brainstorm thematic ideas based on your target guests. Prompt example. Give me creative hostel design themes for a budget-friendly hostel targeting Gen Z travelers. Include ideas for room layouts, decor, and shared spaces. Step 6. Register the business and handle licensing. Check your local government or municipality website for requirements related to hospitality licensing, occupancy permits, and zoning. You can ask ChatGPT to outline the steps based on your location. Prompt example. What are the legal steps and licenses required to start a hostel in city, state/country? Include zoning, health codes, and safety requirements. Step 7. Build an online presence. Create a website using free website builders like Wix, Card, or WordPress.com. Use ChatGPT to generate SEO-optimized content, such as your homepage text, About Us page, and service descriptions. Use Canva's free version to design a logo and branded content. Use Unsplash or Pexels for royalty-free images. Prompt example. Write SEO-optimized homepage content for a hostel in city that targets digital nomads and young travelers. Emphasize affordability, community atmosphere, and amenities. Step 8. List the hostel on booking platforms. Once your hostel is ready to operate, list it on platforms like Hostelworld, Booking.com, and Airbnb. ChatGPT can help you write engaging listing descriptions and answer common guest inquiries with a friendly tone. Prompt example. Write a catchy and friendly hostel listing description for Booking.com. Highlight amenities like free Wi-Fi, community kitchen, bike rentals, and walking tours. Step 9. Create a marketing plan using AI. Use ChatGPT to build a full marketing strategy, including content marketing, email campaigns, social media outreach, and collaborations with local tourism operators. Use MailChimp's free plan to launch email campaigns, and use Buffer or Meta Business Suite to schedule posts across Instagram and Facebook. Prompt example. Create a 3-month marketing plan for launching a new hostel in city. Include Instagram content ideas, local partnerships, and special promotions for opening month. Step 10. Hire and train staff with the help of AI. If you plan to hire front desk workers, cleaners, or event coordinators, you can use ChatGPT to write job descriptions and interview questions. For training, you can generate hospitality-focused customer service guides and checklists. Prompt example. Write a detailed job description for a hostel front desk staff member. Include responsibilities, shift schedule, and required soft skills. Step 11. Optimize operations with free AI tools. Use Notion or Trello, both with free plans, to manage bookings, cleaning schedules, staff shifts, and guest requests. Use ChatGPT to generate templates for SOPs, standard operating procedures, cleaning checklists, and emergency response protocols. Prompt example. Create a standard operating procedure for daily hostel operations, including guest check-in, room inspections, laundry services, and nightly lockup. Conclusion. Starting a hostel business is a multifaceted journey, but with the power of free AI tools, many of the traditionally costly or complex steps become manageable and efficient. Whether you need help with planning, design, operations, or marketing, AI platforms like ChatGPT, RoomGPT, Canva, and Trello provide cost-free solutions that save time and boost professionalism. By integrating these tools strategically, you can build a successful, welcoming hostel that resonates with your target audience and adapts easily to the changing needs of modern travelers. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.